So my big question now is, how is Samsung gonna respond?
What?
They don't need to respond with anything. The only thing that the iPhone has going for it is the face recognition bullshit.
See, my question now is, what? One thing I've never understood: why doesn't Samsung make their own proprietary between Samsung network? You know what I'm saying?
Why would they?
Like the equivalent of iMessage, like SMS or some shit like that.
Right. Why would they?
Because
Well, Android uses Google, so whatever Google has as a chat service, that's what they would use.
But why wouldn't? Yeah, okay. Then why doesn't Google do this on the back end?
What's up? Google Talk.
Well, they bought WhatsApp, but I'm saying like a proprietary data method of chat is like a big selling point, and at least for me on iOS.
Why?
What do you mean why?
Why is it a selling point? It's literally not worth anything.
Okay, look, I don't want to show up as a green fucking text on someone else's phone. Okay.
That doesn't mean anything.
It does to me.
I mean, the only difference is that
The
you're
only
using
person
the
who's
internet
gonna
to
know
something.
is someone else who has an iPhone.
Exactly. But I would know as an Android user.
Oh, God.
No, you wouldn't. Because once you don't have an iPhone for more than a month, it doesn't make a difference anymore.
Honestly, Steven, I don't know how to explain this to you, but I'm crazy, and I'm not a logical human being. I don't want to be the fucking...
That's fair.
I mean, am I wrong?
Well, no.
Right.
He's
babe?
not?
Oh, wait. I thought you meant about being an
That's what I meant.
crazy human being.
Oh, okay.
That's what I meant. What did you think I meant?
About the
About
software
the-
thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what you think about that. Wow. Right when this person popped out of the car, I just shot them right in that. I just shot them right as they got out. It was great. They were outside trolling me in a fucking Jeep.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh yeah?
So, it gave me an end of mission reward for a resource, but instead of having it just all be one stack, it was all separated.
Oh, you bitch.
I'm like,
Well, that's interesting.
okay.
Oh god.
Well,
Hey, Steven, can you,
Stabby's angry typing at somebody.
I can hear the
that's not
salt
me.
just flow.
that's
Like
not
the-
me.
Oh, is that Christina, who's not muted anymore?
No, it's
That's correct.
Oh damn. Hey,
And she's not deafened either.
Steven, can you guess what I am drinking right now?
Red Bull.
Cocaine.
All of those were the right answer. Wow.
Do you expect it to be a difficult question?
No.
Lilia, wait, Lilia, why are you drinking a Red Bull at 11:30 at night?
Because he likes the taste.
Yes, I've had actually. You guys weren't here this one night, but I had an extended conversation with Christina about why I drink sugar-free Red Bull. It was about 5 minutes. That's how long my attention span is. So I should do my placements, right?
Yeah, if you want to.
I think Christina and I might be starting our placements in just a few.
I'm gonna. Oh, I might have on after this game. If that's okay with y'all.
Oh, you want to jump in, Steven?
I guess. I haven't done mine either.
As
I
long
mean, I
as
might
can-
as well. We're
as
gonna
long
do
as I
them
can-
eventually.
I mean, even if you don't even play competitive, you could just do it just to get the competitive points at the end of the season.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
don't know-
Christina and I are aiming to win. Like, I really want to.
Yeah, I'm gonna be
Whoa,
aiming to
no
win
shit.
too.
Oh, we're aiming to win?
If I join you, it's gonna be for the purpose of actually doing well.
Yeah, same. I'm trying to get at least 3 kills this PUBG game before I die. Okay?
I'm not gonna
Oh my
purposely
God.
throw your placements. Come on.
I just killed somebody with the hook while they were inside the healing field. They
Also,
just-
we shouldn't play with Stavi. He would fuck ours over completely.
Well, Stavi already did his placements.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I did.
What'd you get into?
Halfway to
gold.
gold, I think 2,300.
Halfway.
Wow.
You got placed in silver?
No, I'm in gold, but I'm halfway to
Halfway
platinum.
through
Oh.
gold.
Oh!
That's still lower than I would have expected.
Well, I think it's because
You suck.
last season I got placed in gold. That was when I did it with you guys, and then season before that, I hit a loss streak right at the end and got placed in like what's basically gold. So that's probably why I was like, you should probably be here.
Oh my god, really?
What happened?
The soldier ulted and it literally at the enemy spawn.
My
Oh, is that an
God.
SKS? It is an SKS. Wow.
Are you
thank-
watching our game?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Ridiculous.
Then you see how disgustingly suppressed these people are.
Yes, Bizball is literally just sat there,
They're pretty low level.
ulted at the enemy spawn. They are all very low leveled.
Their highest is 61 and it's just Ana.
So I have no class tomorrow, so tomorrow I'm gonna go to the App Store, get my phone fixed, get a fucking...
I haven't had class all week.
I am so personally resentful of you right
I
now.
don't think the kids will have moved by the end of this, guys.
Yeah, it
I've-
hasn't
I've-
moved yet.
I've had work and I've had class assignments this week.
Hey,
Well,
stop
my
it.
classes
Well,
were
I mean,
all individually canceled by professors.
I've had class assignments, but we haven't like met.
Hey,
Oh,
Steven, sorry, Stavi, what's your degree officially titled? Is it an MPA? Is that what it is?
no,
What is
it's
it?
Masters of Accounting.
But is it MS? What's the title?
Bastion's behind us.
It's Masters of Accounting. It's MAC, M-A-C-C.
That's interesting. Okay, okay.
So
No,
it's not
I-
a Masters of Science or Master
No,
But-
it's just Masters of
of
Accounting
Arts.
with
So-
a.
So one of the weird things here is that the undergrads are known as BBAs. All their disciplines are called BBAs. Like a BBA in finance or a BBA in whatever the fuck it is.
What does that even stand for?
Bachelor's in business.
Um,
But usually it's just a BS degree in most universities, which is why it's really odd for me.
Who should I watch next?
you should watch me because I'm kicking
I
butt.
actually just died.
You want to watch me?
I actually only have silver in healing. But there's Lucio here, so I'm not worried at all.
Is that a pan? It is a pan.
Could it be
yay.
Johnny who
Why
has
is
the gold?
payload moving?
Why is it moving? Because everyone died.
How'd that happen?
You
Did
see,
they all
there's
get
Because I'm not
controlled
with
like
you.
Good players suddenly.
He just got a quad with that.
They got a rank 72 in
Oh
now.
god, it was a quad rip tire.
hit the quad. Hit the quad.
Oh, speaking of which, I need to send you guys
Speaking of hit the quad, okay.
the play of the game that where the Junkrat basically kept his ultimate above the spawn on the first point of what's it called, Anubis, and he
Yeah.
just kept riding it up the wall above the first spawn point for the attacking team until a McCree was gonna ult, and he just drops it down and it just explodes.
Jesus Christ.
It gets the McCree, the the healing Mercy behind him, and then one other person.
What a hero. Jesus Christ. You know, I'm
We have
always...
the loot box.
This sounds really bad to say, but I'm always very suspicious when I get into a car in PUBG and it's full of gas. Like, completely full.
Why?
I don't know, it's illogical, because I know it's just a probability thing. Like,
It's
it's
asking if you needed to warm up. Do you need to warm up, Steven?
It's not gonna make a difference.
That's what I was
Steven, with the brutal honesty.
Well, I'm well warmed up
Billy,
as
you're not just gonna
Mercy.
join us?
I'm in the middle of a game still. As soon as I die, I'll join in the game after that.
Few offense heroes.
Are we doing competitive now?
Yeah. We're in
Oh, I've never seen this, but at the angle I'm driving at right
I can-
now, I can see my bare
Christina, I
foot on the
actually
pedal.
just got that skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which skin?
The one you're using right now.
How?
From a loot box.
I thought it wasn't available until like except during the summer games event.
It was probably during that.
Oh, you just
I
opened
mean,
it?
it's been a while since I played.
Oh my god, Steven.
Got it. Isn't it a great skin?
What? Is
I haven't used it yet.
what
but
skin
yeah.
you guys talking about?
The Mercy
The Mercy Greek Goddess
Summer
skin?
Games. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that one.
Well, the Genji tries to deflect my hammer.
How?
He saw me swinging the hammer and he hit deflect.
He tried?
And
Must
yeah,
have been reflex.
How'd that work?
it did.
Oh, good.
He got hammered to the face.
My favorite thing to do with Roadhog is pick somebody and skirmish and then just wave at them. Hello, hello, hello.
God damn it.
Yeah.
Weird.
Hold on to what?
You have to go to team.
Hold on to your butts.
Press P and then go to team, right?
For what?
I think so.
The team chat?
Yeah.
Hello, hello, hello.
I'm not hearing it.
Yeah, it's weird.
Are you muted in game? Is that possible?
What's up?
Oh, hold on.
Do you remember
Oh,
your
I'm
push to talk
muted.
button?
Hello, hello, hello. Anybody?
Do you remember your push to talk button?
Yeah.
My mic isn't
Pretty
working,
good, pretty good.
so I have no idea.
It's the thing where it told me I was kicked out of the
Now I can talk. Whatever his name is.
Okay, so I can't see exactly what their levels are, but I see someone who's 1 star and someone who's 2 star on the enemy team. Oh, thanks.
Oh.
Oh?
This sounds like a dumb thing to say. Actually, no, it's not dumb. It's actually pretty smart.
Reaper's out here. To the right. Steven, are you on the team chat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's you healing me. I can't believe that worked. The concussion mine knocked him off the map.
How far is this point? That's not too far.
Wow. 1 scatter arrow got the soldier and the fucking roadhog.
Yeah, sounds about right. A bullshit.
Watch
is
out
Oh
for
it?
no, save me! They got a Hanzo. They got someone behind us. Or above us. Soldiers in.
Oh my god, you just saved my life.
That's generally what I do.
It is Mercy, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
I
she's
am Mercy.
Showing that she is a very, very good Mercy. You
I have found so much health. I'm gonna be great to loot when that thing kills me.
Oh dear, I had no chance.
Oh, we have an Ana now? Oh.
We've had an Ana.
There's a Pharah.
You know what's interesting? Apparently Ana's the best counter to Pharah.
Why?
Because you can sleep her?
Well, just because,
It's her mother?
I think it's because it's easier to aim with Ana on Pharah.
Oh.
Maybe.
You guessing? What the fuck? I need some hard data here.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, bitch.
Well,
Oh no, get me out of here.
Oh, other way, other way. I was running left thinking he would like try to center
You're
it.
a trooper.
I was wrong.
I'm also lagging a bit.
Oh,
There's a soldier behind us, I think.
No, he's to the left.
that was in front,
Oh.
right in the center.
Oh, I died. Oh my gosh. Hang in there. There's like a Hanzo left.
Well, they just took A.
That's fine. I'd be willing to bet that the Mercy has her ult right now.
The Mercy does have her ult right now, but I'm not getting all the way out there.
No, not you, the enemy Mercy.
Oh, theirs? Yeah, they're coming here right now, guys. Where are you?
Well, I had just died.
I need to run.
Alright, here we go.
Found a mini 14. What the fuck is it? Whatever, I'll go.
How? How did that only get him?
Oh, wow.
Ferris back in.
Oh, lucky shot. Oh, thank you. Woo!
What stage are you guys at?
Oh, Hanamura.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, Tracer's behind us.
They're on the point big time.
And they just rezzed. Oh, she only rezzed McCree.
Ah. Well, I have 8,000 damage done so far.
Fuck that. Fuck. There it is.
Should I just do the same thing?
What are you doing?
Junkrat.
That could work.
Oh my god, I'm panicking. Still recording.
Just gonna warn you, Dad, don't talk to me.
Man, I only died like 3 or 4 times.
Don't talk to me, Dad.
And 2 of those
heal.
deaths they captured.
It's competitive. And I love you. Don't give me that look. Oh, it's late.
Yeah, I thought they always get back. I believe it's like,
Well, usually... Stop talking to me, Dad. Breaking rule 1. Ah. That's rude.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah, please get rid of that. That's
Good side by
disgusting.
sock.
That's inside your socks?
On my side of it.
That's disgusting, Dad. I should vacuum more often.
Okay.
Ew.
Dad, you know my hair just falls out. Dad, don't talk to me.
Oh my
No,
god.
you have to show me the hairball.
What?
I don't know if I know want to know this.
Damn. I killed.
Oh dear. You can leave it on or off, I don't mind. Dad, stop talking to me. Oh, sorry, Dad, don't talk to me. I can't hear myself.
Oh god.
Nope, they got a widow.
Fuck. I have an AWM.
Hot.
Still hot.
I've gotten my 3 kills. Let's see if I can win this game of club.
They have a bastion? No, that's a turret.
I have a question. You're inhaling. Why?
We took the point way quicker than they did.
Oh yeah. I'm on fire?
Do we still have the auto?
No.
That's why the healing has been absurd.
Just don't question it, Steven.
Wait, what?
Don't question why you're on fire. Just go with it.
I mean, if you say so.
I mean, it's generally a good rule of thumb in real life too.
Oh no, I think if you're really on fire, you should question that.
Why?
Because you're on fire and you shouldn't be.
Who says I shouldn't be though? You gonna stop me? Okay.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh, we did it.
You
Oh my gosh.
I didn't even get the chance to ult.
Achievement unlocked, double cap.
What's the double cap?
Probably capping really fast.
Maybe.
I mean, that was less than a minute between the two of them, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what they mean.
We have to do it again?
We have to defend again.
Oh, did you tie?
Yeah, we
Mhm.
tied.
Oh, I hate that.
So what happens in a tie?
Back to square one.
You just replay until someone wins?
Basically, right?
Well, you do the round again, the time that you ended on, and then,
Oh, they only
Whoever
do it
gets
the first
the-
time.
Oh, so we have 5
Points.
minutes. They have a minute and a half.
yes.
Oh, jeez, this is gonna be amazing.
You have 5 minutes to get as far as you can.
And they have a
After
minute and a half to get as far as they can.
This
Yes.
is gonna be amazing.
We're gonna hold them at this first point then. If we
If
do,
you it
Unless
as
they
well as last
cheese
time.
it.
yeah, if we do as well as last
How
time,
are
we're gonna hold
How are
them.
they gonna cheese it? You
I
can't
don't know.
cheese an attack.
I
Oh
don't
my
know.
god, that is the greatest Reinhardt spray I've ever seen.
What is it?
It looks like he's dressed as a wrestler.
Oh yeah. I think I've seen that one.
So they don't have a Pharah this time?
We have a Pharah this time.
Yes, we do. But they did
I don't
as
think
well
they do.
at some point.
No, they don't.
Oh, you got the tracer? Good.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh, that was great. He shielded just in time to block the hook. I really like this Ryan.
Who needs healing?
I don't.
Oh, Pharah, where is she?
She just... Oh. They have 10 seconds.
Oh my god.
10 alive.
Yep, that's game.
They haven't gotten out of the choke, and they have 10 seconds left.
Oh my god, we just spawned. We just literally
Stomped.
just sprayed them too at the end.
Oh, I didn't have my ult until I died.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
We have
what
5
do we
minutes
have to
take
do?
the
We
point.
just have to capture A, right?
Actually,
Yep.
we just have to get one node of A.
Oh my god, really?
Oh yeah, that's right. You only need like a third of it.
Oh my god, and we have 5 minutes for that.
I know, we did
Yep.
it in like, what, 2 minutes the first
Well,
time?
if they get one team wipe, like they're done.
Yeah. Who has the gold for damage? Do you, Johnny?
No, I'm actually nowhere close. I've only got 6,300.
I have the gold.
Go.
Yeah. I have the silver
Mercy,
with 10k.
Mercy, our team's DPS.
Hey, I have golden healing, okay? I've got like
Fire or
almost
Pharah?
14,000 in healing.
It's either the Pharah or the Hanzo.
Yeah. Hanzo's been putting in some work.
Oh yeah.
Has a
He's gotten quite a lot of scattershot kills.
Some ones I didn't expect him to get too, on top of that.
oh god.
I'm like nervous.
Oh well, bye bye,
We're
dog.
alive.
They have a Symmetra.
Oh dear.
Oh god, yeah, they're probably going cheese. Is that they couldn't if they couldn't capture that first thing, they're probably just gonna try and draw.
We got a Torbjorn, so it's definitely close to full.
Whoa,
chase.
whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, I found the Torb turret.
Oh, I see it. Nice.
That's
That's
it.
game.
We did it.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's it.
Nice.
3 left.
Oh,
You mean two and a couple of suckers, or you and a couple of suckers?
Let's see. I'm not trapped in here with you. You're trapped in here with me.
Oh man.
That just happened.
wow.
Yeah.
Will you just stop them?
I'm gonna give it to Sicarus.
13,000 damage done.
Yeah.
Taking my boosters right now.
He beat me by a little bit over 3,000.
He almost tripled mine.
Jesus.
Well, actually, I was 6,500, so that's not quite tripling.
So he got 30%. I probably got like 28% with 10,000.
I got the gold for objective time at 51 seconds.
All right, first one's a win.
Woo!
And my third one's a win, so I'm 2-1 right now.
Oh my god, I just got a chicken dinner!